Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to invite friends on Paysend and start earning rewards fast. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the link from the description below to create your account, and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. So Paysend recently updated their referral program to make it simpler, faster, and more rewarding. The new system, it went live on June 25th, 2025. So now you'll notice an updated invite friends screen in the app, along with clear info on how the program works. But also keep in mind that this is only available at the moment in certain countries, so you have to check if it's available in yours. Now, here's how you can invite your friends. First, you want to open the Paysend app and go to your accounts. Just click this one to go to your account page. Then from here, you want to tap the three dots at the top right corner. From here, the invite friends option should appear. As you can see, it's not available in my end because as I mentioned, it's only available in certain countries. Right now, it's not yet available in my end, but here's how it looks like. All right, so after tapping the invite friends option, it'll take you to this page. From here, you'll get your unique invite link or code. Just share it with your friends however you like. Once your friend registers and makes their first money transfer, you'll earn your bonus instantly. But here's the best part. You'll keep earning for their next 11 eligible transfers, meaning you can get rewarded up to 12 times per friend. Just remember, it doesn't count for things like bonus withdrawals or microdebits used for card verification. So yeah, start sharing your link, start earning, and enjoy those faster rewards with Paysend. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!